What up people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Tony, and today we're talking about the best beginner lenses for Fujifilm users. Whether you're into portraits, street photography, or landscape, Viltrox has some fantastic budget-friendly options that deliver great image quality without breaking the bank. So let's dive deep into these three lenses that I think every Fujifilm beginner should consider. The Viltrox 33mm 1.4, the Viltrox 56mm 1.4, and the Viltrox 13mm 1.4. I should mention that Viltrox is not affiliated with this video in any way. They're not sponsoring this video, they have no idea who I am, and I paid for all three lenses with my own money. I am sharing this information because I've actually invested in all three of these lenses. First up, we have the Viltrox 33mm 1.4. This is one of the best lenses for everyday photography, street photography, and even portraits. Since it has a 49.5mm full-frame equivalent, it's close to the classic Nifty 50, making it a very versatile lens. Here's why I love it. The fast f1.4 aperture. It's great for low light and beautiful background blur, known as bokeh. This lens does have sharp image quality depending on what aperture you set it to, but given its price, it's not the sharpest lens out there. It has excellent detail and excellent color rendering. The autofocus is surprisingly fast, considering that it's a third-party lens. I've paired it up today with the X-T50, but I've also used it with old cameras like the X-T3, and it's perfect. Again, this lens is perfect for street photography. It's lightweight and compact, and great for carrying around all day. If you're starting out with Fujifilm and you want a do-it-all lens, this is a great first choice. Now let's talk about the Viltrox 56mm 1.4. If you're looking to step up your portrait game, the Viltrox 56mm 1.4 is an amazing option. On Fujifilm's APS-C cameras, this gives you a full-frame equivalent of 85mm, which is the perfect focal length for flattering, professional-looking portraits. Here's how this lens stands out. Similar to the previous lens, it's got a 1.4 aperture, perfect for creamy bokeh and subject separation. It's got super sharp optics, your portraits will look professional, it's great for indoor and low light shooting, it has silent and fast autofocus, both great for photo work as well as video work. So if you're on a budget and you want a portrait lens without sacrificing quality, this is a fantastic pick. Now let's talk about an unconventional focal length that has become popular in the recent years, and that lens is the Viltrox 13mm 1.4. If you're into landscape photography, architecture, or vlogging, this lens is for you. Now why is it awesome? It's because it's got an ultra-wide 20mm full-frame equivalent, which captures expansive scenes. The 1.4 aperture, again, is perfect for low light shooting and for astrophotography. It's great for vlogging, and it's wide angle enough to capture yourself and your surroundings. It's very, very sharp from edge to edge. The one downside of this lens is that it is prone to flaring. Depending on the angle at which you put this lens and whether you're using your lens hood or not, you might find a lot of light getting into this lens and creating these blue artifacts in your images. So please use your lens hood or make sure that you're not shooting directly into a light source to prevent that flaring from showing up in your images. One thing to note is that all three of these lenses are relatively old, and they came out when Viltrox was first gaining popularity in the camera space. There are newer versions of the 33mm, which is the 35mm f1.7, and there's a new 56mm f1.7. So I would consider those lenses over this specific lens because they are newer, they have better optics, and they're more affordable than the 1.4 lenses that I did discuss. In my opinion, if you're starting out in photography and really learning if you love the genre or not, I would say save a lot of money and go with these three lenses. Yes, they're not perfect lenses. The optics do not meet the quality of Fujifilm's lenses. However, in post-processing, you can easily edit out any minor imperfections that you might see in these lenses, and they can stand up to their Fujifilm equivalents. Once you grow in your photography and you know that this is a genre that you really want to be in, then later down the line, as you save up more money or make more money from this genre, you're able to invest in more first-party lenses. So there you have it, 3 amazing beginning-friendly lenses for Fujifilm shooters. Whether you need a versatile everyday lens like the 33mm, a portrait powerhouse like the 56mm, or an ultra-wide for vlogging, which the 13mm Viltrox has you covered. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and hit the bell notification for more Fujifilm content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.